Hello, welcome to Gurukul Online. Today we'll learn about factors and multiples. To start with, let's take an example of a multiplication statement to understand better. We have 4 5s are 20. What is 20 here? 20 is the product of 4 and 5. So you already know this. What relationship does 4 and 20 have? 4 is a factor of 20 and 20 is a multiple of 4. Similarly, 5 is a factor of 20 and 20 is a multiple of 5. Okay, is it only 4 which is a factor of 20? Is it only 4 which when multiplied by another whole number gives 20? No, there are many other numbers which when many other whole numbers which when multiplied by another whole number gives the product 20. For example, 2 multiplied by 10 will also give 20. Okay, so or say 1 multiplied by 20 will give 20. So what are the factors of 20? Factors of 20 are 1 also, 2 also, 4, 5, 10, 20, all these are factors of 20. But how do we find out all the factors of a number? So for that, there are two methods that I'll teach you today. One is multiplication method and another is division method. So let's start with multiplication method first. Find all the factors. I emphasize all the factors. So if the question is find all the factors of number say 36, how will you do it? We will multiply whole numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on with other whole numbers to get the product 36. Now the question is till which number we will try. So there are two ways. One is see the half of 36 which is 18. So you know that you have to check maximum till 18 but you need not go till 18. You will stop before that only. So where to stop that I'll explain, but the maximum that you have to go is till 18. Okay, so 1 into what? 36 makes 36. So 1 into 36 is 36. 2 into 18 is 36. 3 into 12 is 36. 4 into 9 is 36. 5 into no whole number gives 36. 6 into 6 gives 36. Now when you see that the number here starts repeating on this side, you need not go further because then it will be repetition. So you will stop here only and now pick up all the numbers which you could multiply with another whole number to get 36. We could multiply 1 with 36, both are whole numbers, so we'll pick both the numbers. Then 2 into 18, 3 into 12, 4 into 9. We could not get any whole number which when multiplied with 5 could give 36, so we'll not pick 5. And 6 into 6, so we'll pick 6. So the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. These are all the factors of 36. So the lowest factor of any number is 1 and the highest factor of any number is the number itself. 36, highest factor is 36. Lowest factor is 1. Now we'll understand the division method. So with division method, find all the factors of number 36. Now we'll do it differently. We'll divide 36 with whole numbers to get a whole number. So we'll divide 36 one by one with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on to get a whole number. 36 divided by 6. Now till when? Till the time we start getting these numbers on this side of the equations. So 36 divided by 1 gives 36, 36 by 2 gives 18, 36 by 3 gives 12, 36 divided by 4 gives 9, 36 divided by 5 does not give any whole number, 36 divided by 6 gives 6. Now see, 6 is repeated here. So we'll stop it here only, we'll not check the rest of the numbers. So the factors are these. Five is not a factor, 6. So factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Again you can see the lowest factor of a number is 1 and the highest factor of a number is the number itself. Now I'll tell you how to find out multiples of a number. That basically I will not tell you, I'll just guide you. So to find the multiples of 3, what you will do is you will just write down the table of 3 basically. 3 into 1, then 3 into 2, 3 into 3. So 3 divided by other whole numbers will give its multiples. So the lowest multiple will be 3 and highest you cannot say which one is highest because it is infinite. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on are the multiples of 3. So if the question is find 15th multiple of 3, what you will do is you will check 3 into 15. 45 is the 15th multiple of 3. So that's all about factors and multiples. Now we'll do prime factorization in our next video. Thank you.